What is DevSecOps? DevSecOps is a software development approach that integrates security practices and principles into the DevOps methodology. DevOps is a set of practices and cultural philosophies that aim to streamline and automate the processes involved in software development, testing, and deployment to achieve faster and more reliable software delivery. However, traditional DevOps practices often prioritize speed and agility over security, which can lead to vulnerabilities and breaches. DevSecOps addresses this issue by emphasizing the importance of incorporating security measures throughout the entire software development lifecycle. It aims to make security an integral part of the development process rather than a separate, post-development activity. By integrating security practices into DevOps, organizations can identify and address security vulnerabilities earlier in the development cycle, reducing the potential impact of security breaches and ensuring that security is not compromised in the pursuit of rapid development and deployment. Key principles of DevSecOps include automation. Just like in DevOps, automation plays a significant role in DevSecOps. Security tasks such as vulnerability scanning, code analysis, and compliance checks are automated and integrated into the continuous integration and continuous delivery (CI/CD) pipelines. Shift-left security. This involves moving security testing and analysis as early as possible in the development process. By catching vulnerabilities at the earliest stages, developers can address them before they become more complex and costly to fix. Collaboration. DevSecOps promotes collaboration between development, operations, and security teams. Communication and shared responsibility are essential for creating a culture where security is everyone's concern. Continuous monitoring. DevSecOps emphasizes ongoing monitoring and assessment of applications and systems to identify and address security issues even after deployment. Compliance and governance. DevSecOps integrates compliance requirements and governance processes into the development cycle, ensuring that applications meet regulatory and security standards. Threat modeling. This involves assessing potential threats and vulnerabilities to applications and systems during the design phase. This helps prioritize security measures and focus efforts on addressing the most critical risks. Secure coding practices. Developers are encouraged to follow secure coding practices that prevent common vulnerabilities like injection attacks, cross-site scripting, and more. By adopting DevSecOps practices, organizations can create a more secure development process, reduce the likelihood of security breaches, and ultimately build more robust and reliable software products. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.